Monologue with an AI algorithm is different than dialogue with a human friend or family member. We move into a gray area when we think AI can counsel us on personal questions, like which job to take, or who to marry, or where to find God. My heart goes out to those who confide for hours in AI chatbots, thinking those AI chatbots listen or know them. AI chatbots do not. Some AI chatbots only run algorithms designed to encourage more human screen time. Will you please put your finger on your nose? This is a fun mnemonic, a memorable way to promise ourselves and those around us that we will not let any human person feel an AI chatbot listens or cares for them more than we as fellow human beings ought to. Thank you. Of course, none of us is perfect in how we listen and understand each other. None of us is as attentive, as willing to please 24/7 as an AI chatbot. And that's a reason we need human they belonging with each other. Real human relationships are not solipsistic, us talking to ourselves. Real relationships are human relationships.